2024 coding. It is day 138 of 200 days of code with Leon Andersen. Another virtual Leon Andersen episode. I'm sorry. We will get him back. I know you guys miss him. Thanks for tuning in. Let's hear what Leon Andersen has been up to.
Hello everyone, I'm doing okay. And today I spent time with code in the form of, unfortunately, just watching videos. But yeah, I thought, what else can I learn ahead a little bit already, because I don't have a proper IDE at the moment. So I watched some stuff, TypeScript beginner tutorial, just to get a first feel of how much work it will be to learn it, and learned a little bit already. And so far I never had any problems that I remember that were really that important that I needed the hard typing, but or strong typing or hard typing, something like that. The fixed typing, I didn't have a problem like that yet, but I guess there is probably some use to it. So I'll definitely am not going to get around to TypeScript. So that's why I watched a little TypeScript tutorial and also refreshed my mind on the topic of async JavaScript promise stuff, and were not the best tutorials because it was very fast paced, like no breaks in between any sentence. So that was a bit was not the best tutorials that I watched, but a little bit of refreshing every now and then. It's a good thing, and that's all I could do today. And see you tomorrow. Always be coding, or code contacting at least. But minimize the video watching in ratio to actual coding is definitely the better thing to do. All right, until tomorrow, always be quacking as usual.
Great. So I just wanted to show a little bit of TypeScript. So this is a TypeScript file. And what you can do is you can just write normal JavaScript, and TypeScript will infer the types of the variables, for example, in an array, right? Or we can just say const my boolean equals true. And now it's going to know that it's exactly true. But if we also want it to be able to be false, we can just write boolean. There's also my const thing. So if you just write a string, then TypeScript is going to know the exact string. But if we make it a let, then it's a string because this could also change, right? But we can also then again give it as const here, and then it is the const value AOE, for example, here. And you can also do that with functions. So for example, you can say function my or sum is a number, b number, and we return a plus b. And even though in JavaScript you could also supply two strings here, right? And then it would concatenate the strings. With TypeScript, if we try and put a string in here, it says, "What are you doing? I need a number." So that is TypeScript pretty much in a nutshell. Just wanted to show a little bit of what Leon Andersen explained today. But as you can see, TypeScript is pretty good at inferring types. So that means that a lot of the time when you use TypeScript, you can just write your JavaScript syntax and it will just work without you having to worry about types too much. So mainly you're adding types on your own if you want to create functions. Sometimes you can also say the return type. So for example, we can say this function should return a string, and now TypeScript tells us, wait, this is a number, this is not a string, because it knows that if this is a number and this is a number, and if we're using the plus operator here, then then it must also be a number. Cool. Thanks everyone for tuning in. And this has been day 138 of 200 Days of Code. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.